Hi, my name is Cody with Risner Roofing. Today we're going to go over the process of an insurance claim for your roof here in the state of Texas. First, you're probably going to call your roofing contractor because you've been noticing that you've been having some issues in the house. You just experienced a major hailstorm or some sort of other weather-related events. The roofer is going to come out, they're going to perform their inspection on the roof, and if they determine that you have any substantial credible damages up there, they should be documenting all that, alerting you and informing you of their findings. At this point, if there is substantial damages on the roof, the roofer kind of determines, hey, we need to get this roof replaced. It's at that point that the homeowner either decides that they're going to be paying for this roof replacement out of pocket, or they're going to go and want to go the insurance claim route. For this instance, we're going to go the insurance claim route. Step is the homeowner starting the process by calling their insurance and filing a claim. This is required and cannot be handled and done by your roofing contractor. This must be done by the homeowner. Once the claim has been filed, from this point on, the roofing contractor can provide a full turnkey service like we do here at Risner Roofing. The insurance is at this point going to schedule a time for an adjuster to come out and perform an inspection on the roof. Ideally, the roofer is going to come and walk that roof with that adjuster as well, helping it ensure that the adjuster finds the damages that the roofing company found, but also acting as your advocate on that roof while the adjuster is up there performing their job. 3 ways are going to happen with your adjuster. First way is the insurance company is going to use a third-party adjuster. That's an unbiased adjuster that's going to turn in their findings to the insurance. The insurance is going to make its ultimate decision from behind a desk. Second option is an internal adjuster that solely does external inspections. They operate much the same way your third party does. Ideally, you're going to have a desk adjuster that also handles their outside inspections. These types of adjusters typically provide a determination of their findings on site of the day of the inspection, and also provide you what's called an ECR, your estimated cost of replacement to replace that roof. That ECR is going to include the homeowner's deductible amount, however much that may be. That amount is subtracted from the total amount determined by the insurance that it would cost to replace that roof. Here in the state of Texas, it is required by law and is a felony if the homeowner does not pay their deductible amount. Once the deductible amount is paid by the homeowner, at that point, the homeowner is not responsible for any other amounts of that ECR. The ECR does not include things such as upgrades of your shingles. For instance, if you have a 3-tab shingle, you're wanting to upgrade to an architectural shingle like we have here on this roof. Those amounts are not included in your ECR, and those amounts are the financial responsibility of the homeowner. Once the ECR has been determined, the roofer is going to look over that ECR, make sure that the insurance provided what's called a fair market value. That means that the insurance is paying today's pricing for labor, materials, and everything else that goes on with a roof replacement process. Once the insurance, the roofer, and the homeowner have all come to an agreement that they have their fair market value, the homeowner has picked their materials, paid their deductible, it's now time to schedule for materials and to schedule the roof replacement. Here at Risner Roofing, we tend to have our materials dropped 1 day before the roof replacement starts. That way there's nothing slowing us down in case there's any delays in the delivery. Your roof, depending upon size, depending upon weather, and other extenuating factors, could take anywhere from a day to a week. Once the roof replacement is done, your roofer at this point is going to help you recoup anything such as your recoverable depreciation amount, which is the amount that the insurance held back at the beginning to ensure that the roof was done based upon age and other factors. A. B. Any types of supplementals that the roofer incurred during the roof replacement process. Things such as decking that need to be replaced, extra layers of underlayments or shingles, fixing things such as flashing, or anything else encountered during the roofing process that wasn't included in the initial estimated cost of replacement. Once that's finalized, the insurance is going to supplement your final check and send that to you, or send that to your roofer, and that's the whole process.